Da kajing persyang menbetin lenti bat Pynkupbor ki Samla banjit ki kam ki jam ki babiang kaseng Samla and Cultural Sports Clubs adit da kabai trelam bat University of Science and Technology MEGHALAYA Ustm kala Pynlong ya ka career guidance bat awareness program antaka singi ha Umsning haga niga program lawan penishimenta du MP ka ying dorbar thau ain duk sabha Dr. Ricky EJ Singgan kum u kongsan lengkat baru MNE ke Umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo baru MBC ke Umsning u ba bandrikus nongsteng kum gisembut kongsan u mahbubul hok u badi u chancellor jongka USTM ulai shimenta kum u nong shakhot sngobha kerpang haga ni program lawan ru bani shimenta da kinong ajeng hikai bat kum juru da bun gisamla bat khana pudi jongka ni gathan.
Awareness program reminds us, or the word awareness reminds us that all of us, we have the ability. Yes or no? Yes or no? We all have the ability. We can do great things. And thank you once again for the person, the young boy who had the courage to stand up and to come forward and to spell the word awareness. And I'm sure each one of you can spell the word awareness, but that, you don't have that courage. So it's important, if you want to build a career for yourself, to also be, you have the ability, but unless you move forward, it remains within you. Then, next comes the word, the blue. All of us, none of us, we can say that we cannot write. All of us can write. So, whatever you have in mind, write it down. Writing is very important. Write down what you have in mind. Write down what you want to be in life. That is very important.
There are many students who have scored very high in their class 12 science or arts, but when they go to Kuwait or NEET, or those qualifying exams, there's a lot of difference between those who score in the college and those who score in the NEET. In fact, there is a lot of discussion going on with the introduction of NEET, JEE and all those other entrance exams. I feel personally that students who come from a poor background are being left out because they cannot afford to go for coaching. Simple questions are twisted in such a manner that even if the student knows the answer, he gets confused. So this is where coaching centers spring up in every nook and corner of the country. Even in our state, there are so many coaching centers. How reliable they are, that nobody knows. But I hope this workshop, this awareness program that will be given by the faculties of USTM will enlighten. Even I feel like I should be staying till the end of the program to get enlightened. But we have other engagements after this. I wish the students the best, good luck. Make a good use of today's time.